Alright, so today I have a little collab for you guys from a company called BLSKEN. This is really sassy. I ordered a 14-inch wig. I did kind of go ahead and cut the wig, clipper cut the bottom. If you wanted to customize the wig even more, maybe add layers, maybe add color, you can do so much with it because it is human hair. So if you wanted to come right here in the bang, honey, add you a little color, you could put a clip in, you could glue it in, sew it in, whatever. If you wanted to do it right here along the sides or just whatever you can. So I don't want y'all to feel like you can't customize this. This wig was very easy for me to maneuver, for me to do whatever, and it would be really easy to manipulate. Yeah, honey. Clean lines, cute, natural shine. Yeah, let's jump into the video. Use my coupon code today to get 10% off. This code is valid to October 31st. Wig cap, 14-inch human hair wig. We're gonna go ahead and see how she holds with pressing her out, straightening it out, because I'm sure it has some crinkles or something in it. But just to show you guys the construction, flip her inside out. This is your typical wig, as you guys can see. Can you see that? Can you see my nail through there? So you do get some breathing room. You do get your elastic clips here. You have one comb and another comb right here in the front. So this wig should adhere pretty well. 14 inches, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. I'm not really getting 14 inches. I'm getting more like 12. Yeah, I'm getting more like 12 inches, y'all. The hair feels very, very pliable. I love the feel of it already. It doesn't feel like silicone. I'm putting my iron decently low. I might even go down to 300 just to start this out. Literally trying to knock out the curls. Oh, she presses beautifully. Let's go ahead and take it up. So that was our tester. We're going to go to 355 and see. Beautifully. Presses beautifully. So I'm going to crank it up even higher. I'm going to take it to 410 and see how this wig holds heat for you guys, because I know y'all are wanting to know. So that's what we're going to do. But so far, so good. Oh yeah, this is not going to be any type of human and synthetic blend. This is all 100% human hair. It's a natural shine. See that? We have straightened this wig all the way out, and it naturally has a little fraying here at the bottom, and I really want like a very, very clean cut. It also, let me straighten it up for y'all because it's not an asymmetric wig. I would say if it's 14 inches, it is right at 14 inches. However, I'm going to go through and I'm going to clean up around because I really want it to be really clean here. I want a really, really clean line. Alright, y'all, so I cut about a ½ an inch, maybe even a 1/4 inch, but it was just really to trim it up, get it nice, clean base and perimeter.
Bounce.
How can I